Let me introduce y'all to my boy Cam from the Bronx. Listen.
Yo, after handing out smoke all day every day, I gotta cool off with a milkshake.
What kind of milkshake is it?
Oreo.
He's an Oreo milkshake. You already know it. Breakfast of champions. Tanner, what you sipping on, man? What you got?
Sprite.
You got Sprite? What about you, Rick? What you got?
Healthy water.
There you go. There you go. What about you, Cool? Sipping on water.
We got vodka in there. That's not water.
Max sipping on the water.
Vodka soda.
Of course, I'm sipping on water.
I got some diet water, man.
Diet water. You already know. What I've been eating all week?
Salad.
Race weight, baby. We got to get it in. You know what it is, man. We with the crew. A couple of us is here. We came out, broke off, and grabbed some to eat. We're going to head to the Dynasty spot and meet up with Zx10r, Ralph, and everybody else. I'll get with you guys in a minute, all right? I had to show y'all this man's milkshake.
Yo, don't judge, bro. Don't judge.
Got the whipped cream and everything.
I'm gonna start showing all them smackdowns I've been putting on people.
Hey, yeah, I got you. He been giving the gap. You already know. Moto friends and family, as you know. That's right, guys. Yeah, we just finished up our breakfast here at Big Pink. You know it from last year when we had the big crew out here. Today we don't have as many people out here, but we got quite a few motorcycles lined up out here. We got Jock in the Box. Make sure y'all check them out. We got the motorcycles lined up and ready to go. We just finished up our lunch. We're gonna hit South Beach and we're gonna head over to the Dynasty store to meet up with Zx10r, Ralph, and everybody else that is in for the Dynasty event. So with that being said, I'm gonna jump on here and we're gonna ride over here and get to cruising and ride over here for you guys, man. Check you out. Only in a minute. Peace. You see crazy stuff like that all the time.
You see get 5 miles to the gallon.
You see all type of crazy stuff down here on South Beach, baby. Big Pink, we come here annually, and you already know what it is. You see the mark is still here from Motomac TV, where he did his infamous burnout at. Yeah, buddy. So we're gonna get it popping, get it going. We're gonna head over there only on the Easy Rider Moto YouTube channel. We made it here to the Dynasty Miami store. We got all the guys out here, a couple people inside. All the motorcycles are here. Take you guys inside the Dynasty store. Mez hosted an event here. Look at him. You like that, Cool?
The helmet I want. What's up, bro?
What's going on, bro? You all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Matching helmet. Look at him. Oh, the breast cancer? Yeah.
That's for Rossi, his daughter.
Oh, okay,
It's
yeah.
the last helmet he wore from last year racing.
Oh, okay.
It's the pieces. So this is actual helmets that they wear.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber. Got the water for your tank when you have your suit on.
Yep. Riding in novice group.
Rico, he's talking about you. You went over there and
You see one of Rossi's suits here, a slide-out suit. That's real dope, man. crash out suit. Desmond Sadici.
Hey, what's up with the ticket?
Huh?
This Casey Stoner's MotoGP bike.
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about this.
This when he won the championship. What year was that? 2006 or 8? Okay.
2007-8.
2007. No, they came out with the 2006 and 2007-8. They came out with the actual. I can never pronounce it right. The the V4, just his bike.
Yeah.
It was like 84,000.
Yep.
Oh, this is what it is. He's just a replica of his.
Correct.
I
Correct.
see his number. It's 627.
Yep. Desmond Sadici.
Yeah, that's what this was. I'm never the same man. As much as I love the car, man.
628 out of 1,500. Limited production bike that did hit the scene. ZX10 Maz, what it do, baby?
What's on the way?
You know, man. What's going on, bro? How you doing? So as you see, they got a real dope store here, man. This thing is super sick. Very nice, very high quality here. I don't know, I might have to change my gear up to Dainese, only if they pay me though. But with that being said, we're gonna wrap it up here and maybe take you guys along on a journey of us riding from here. Maybe or maybe not exactly sure. But if not, I might wrap this video up here, end it here, and say hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell. You'll be notified when new content is uploaded to you. Hit the like button, make sure you share the video. And if you're ever in the Miami area, come check out the Dainese store. Make sure you follow ZX10 Mez's Instagram, Ralph's ZX Instagram, and of course my Instagram at Easy Rider Moto. I'll drop all the links below in the video, only on the Easy Rider Moto YouTube channel. And you see the cameraman, always the man of the hour, got the camera rolling with the angles, with the skills. That's Mr. Randy Reality. Get with you guys in a little bit, only on the Easy Rider Moto YouTube channel. Make sure you do that. Hit the like button, share, subscribe. Motomac TV on Instagram and YouTube. Peace.
Damn, not the mic.
Morning.